Yeah! Sucking knuckles! Yeah!
Yeah, excuse me?
Where's our son? Shut up! I'm trying to play a game! Your son's dead! Santa, make me a new son! Alright, fine! It's here! Sonic, it's here! Oh my god! It's here! I finally got it! The newest TV set!
Red, where did you get this TV?
I found it in an abandoned house.
Does it work?
Yes.
Alright, let's go try it.
Yep, let's plug it in. Okay, let's turn it on.
Red, are you sure this works?
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
Alright.
Welcome to news.
This just in. A local pizzeria has been a victim of an animatronic meltdown. What do you think about this, Chip? I think you need to shut up, Margaret. We're taking you to the scene right now.
I'm Mickey Mouse, and welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria, where I'm reporting live, and an animatronic is eating a kid.
Ah, he's eating me!
Shut up, Monica. No one cares about you.
Ah!
Okay. That was terrifying. Let's watch something else. Red.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Welcome to the Dog Food Channel. Nothing but dogs eating food 24/7.
Okay, let's just watch something else.
Welcome to the Drama Channel, dishing out drama since 2015.
Sean!
Wow.
You used all my shampoo!
Oh my god, no I didn't, Bethany. Oh my god, Bethany, you're such a butthole.
No, I'm not, Sean!
Oh, that's my gay cousin Sean. Yo, what up, Sean?
Let's watch anything else.
Aw, but what about Sean?
Let's watch anything else.
Fine.
We'll see you later.
Something else! Anything else!
Okay.
Welcome, kids, to Sonic X. You gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. I didn't know you were on a TV show.
Yeah, I was extremely young and drunk.
Oh, okay.
Let's watch something else.
2 hours later. Oh, we're back at the news?
Welcome back to news.
This just in. Local man has lost his hat. This just in. Shut up, Margaret. That's it for today, folks. Tune in next time to news.
Die!